Good morning. I want to hit my snooze button so badly. Alright, today I thought I would take you through a day in my life because, I don't know, I'm having like a fun day today. I have an event tonight, so I thought I would vlog my whole day and kind of show you how my days go. Not all my days look like this by any means. I don't have an event every day. But, you know, this is just one day of my life. So let's start the day. Woo! Time to brush my teeth. Time to wash my face. If you want to see my full morning routine, I need to do an updated version of it. I will link it above. It's like morning. Oh, I just got some in my eye. Morning routine a while ago. Oh, nothing feels better than a fresh face. I don't drink coffee, so I'm gonna make a cup of tea and start my day off with that. A little lemon ginger tea, nice little pick-me-up in the morning. Just a little zing. That ginger gives me a little zing that I need. Okay, now that I'm comfy cozy on my couch, sipping my tea, I don't think I'm gonna have breakfast today. Some days I fast. I do like the 16-hour fast, just depending on how I feel. Other days I go by a certain meal plan. I just kind of see how I feel. And today I feel really full for some reason this morning. And water fills me up really quickly. So I think I'm gonna fast today. I stopped eating last night around 8:30. So I guess I'm not gonna eat until, oh, honky. I'm probably not gonna eat around 11:30, 12. Yeah, so no breakfast for me, which kind of sucks because I love breakfast, but I'm just not hungry right now, so I'm not gonna force myself to eat. Something that I love to do is eat, but I'm trying to learn to be in tune with my body, listen to my gut. If you're not hungry, you're not hungry. So now usually I just sit on the couch, go through my emails, check Instagram, maybe watch a YouTube video or two. I don't know, just like 10-15 minutes, and then I gotta get my day started. Don't you think my phone case is so cute? It's Stormy's face. Well, faces. There is nothing I love more than a clean bed when I get home. So I just always make my bed in the morning. It sets yourself up for a lovely day, and you're just ready to go. You just feel good afterwards. You know what I mean? I need 2 hands for this. Okay, bed is made. Now I gotta go get changed and ready for work. I have a little extra time left, so I'm going to get into this laundry so that I don't have to look at it when I get home. So I'm just gonna spend like 5 minutes. If I don't finish it, I don't finish it. Boom, finished just in time. I'm Speedy McSpeedster, people. Before I leave, I gotta take the trash out because I don't have a maid. It's just me up in here and Ryan, so trash time and then work. All right, all set. Got my lunch. I should just wait till I have 2 hands. I got my lunch. I take the trash out, did the laundry, got myself together. Now it's time to rock and roll and take on the day. Siri dear, call Faja Faj.
Hi.
Hi. Who's this? Is this TJ?
No.
Hi TJ. It's KK. Miss you, TJ. I'm going to work.
Hershey. Oh, where were you hiding me?
Alexa, play bad guy. I always call my family on my way to work. So I'm at work now. I'm not gonna really bring you into work. I don't know, I just don't feel like it. So I'm gonna be there for just like a few hours, then I have to run a few errands, come back to work, run a few more errands, and then I'll be back home getting ready for the event. So I will catch up with you guys in a little bit. All right, so it is 10:41. and I am running an errand for work. This neighborhood is really cute, but I thought I'd just update you guys on what my morning has looked like. So basically, just answered a buttload of emails, restocked some things, and now I'm out and about running some errands that I need to do, and then I'm gonna head back into the office. I love when the place I have to go to is closed for business. Great. Thrilled. Oh wait, is this it? Oh, maybe they just moved. Okay. I don't know. Errand complete. Now back into the office. Finally, it's lunchtime. I'm so hungry. So today for lunch, we have last night's chicken, which was drenched in the island soyaki from Trader Joe's, and then I put in the air fryer. And then I really need to get on my veggie game, so I just tossed a bunch of veggies on here and added some of the vegan pesto from Trader Joe's. I would love to have rice with this or some kind of carbohydrate, but I'm trying to lean out here for Hawaii. And then over here, I mean, this does have carbs in it, but it's the GT's. I've never had this one, the aqua kefir. Usually I just get the kombucha. Is this still kombucha? I have no idea, but it's orange, peach, mango, and I love peach flavor and mango. So yeah, that's my lunch. Thoughts on this one? Since it's not kombucha, it's kefir. I guess there's a difference. It tastes a little more alcohol-y than I would like. I don't like alcohol, so peach mango flavoring is on point. There's an aftertaste of alcohol, and I'm like, is it really doing that much for me that I want to keep drinking it? I'm gonna finish it because this was expensive, but you know, not my fave. Off to run some more errands. I went to Home Goods the other day to pick up a few things. I did like a fall Home Goods shop with me. Let me know if you want to see that or not. I don't know, like if you're interested in that, but I like to watch them, but I feel like so many are out already that I don't know if you really care to see mine. Let me know. I just realized my dress for tonight's event is not here yet. I just got an email saying that it's estimated for delivery today. But when today? Because I got an event at 7 o'clock. Oh no, what would I wear? Well, we're just gonna have to find out. I love this song. So, we're in Target because I just dropped off my boss's daughter at her tryouts. Fingers crossed she makes the team. But I was like, what should I do? I have time to kill. There's a Target. So I'm over here at Target and I'm looking for the Miss Myers, the new fall scents that come out. Ooh, spotted right here. Yes. Okay, this is the one I want to try, the acorn and spice, and see if I like it. I love the apple cider. So I'm gonna prop you up against here and we'll do like a little first impressions. It smells really spicy, but in a sweet, like not, okay, that's exaggeration. It's not super spicy. It's just like that light oak amber scent. If you don't like amber, you're probably not gonna like this, but I love this. I'm gonna go get one of these soaps, one of the sprays. I already have leftover apple cider from last year, so I don't think I'll need that. Ooh, I'm excited. Fall's coming. Okay, so I'm over in the clothes section. These Comfy Co's pants, oh my gosh. They're called Stars Above. These are so soft. I really want to say, let's see if the shirt's as soft. Yep. This is super cozy. These are adorable. Oh my gosh. $27 is better come with some shorts or something. Okay, yeah, they come with pants in the back. Super cute. May have to get those too. Kale's budget is going down the drain. I also have never noticed these at Target before, but look how beautiful these shabby chic quilts are. So pretty. I love sleeping with a quilt during the summer because it just gets too hot to have a down comforter. Love this one. These frames are really cute. How much are they? $9.99. Not terrible. I mean, they just are so pretty up against Oh my gosh. I'm not prepared to buy that right now. Also super cute. Fall is coming through. So one of my favorite companies for Ryan is Goodfellow & Co. They always have just really nice clothing and shoes. They're just good staples to have. So I always check them out for Ryan because he doesn't love fashion and I kind of have to dress him. I feel like I need this CD. Every song on it is so good. Honestly, she is amazing. I wish CDs were still a thing. Anyone else just miss going into Barnes & Noble and just like roaming the CDs and putting the headphones on? iTunes kind of ruined it. It was like a fun activity. Oh, look what we have here. Limited edition, Baby One More Time. That's my girl. Back in the day, I was more of a Christina fan, but this is really cool. This is a lot of nostalgia right here for me. Okay, I'm done. Just saw Wiz Khalifa. Just pushing his shopping cart around. The huge. Okay, here's my mini little haul. I didn't get the pajamas, but I got these because I'm going to yoga and I don't have a snack and I haven't eaten since lunch. I had like 2 of them. Not worth it, wouldn't repurchase. So I'm just gonna have one of these Lara protein bars, 11 grams of protein in them, and 25 carbs. This will be perfect before my workout. I did end up getting the Acorn Spice scented multi-purpose spray, and I also got the apple cider scent dish soap because I really like when my dish soap matches with the season, and the Trader Joe's one doesn't. That's usually my go-to. So this one is awesome. Love this scent. And yeah, now I'm gonna go pick up his daughter and go to yoga. Okay, I'm back home and I finished a yoga class really quickly. We had to leave a little early or I was gonna be late to this event. So I'm just doing my makeup. As you can see, my whole day is pretty much just like going in between the office, getting in my car, running errands, going back and forth. That's usually like what my work week is like. You know, it just depends day to day. That's just what today looks like. And yeah, I'll show you my final makeup and outfit after I'm done. And then maybe I'll bring you to the event. I don't know. I mean, maybe. I don't know if you guys will care. I don't love like super duper fancy cars like Rolls Royces and all that. Like that's just not my thing. They're super cool, but just I'm cool with my Mazda. I do love vintage cars though. Vintage cars on the other hand are a whole different ball game. Ugh, love them. But I mean, I know a lot of people like the fancy cars and that's what the event is tonight. They're trying to sell and they are releasing a new, I think it's a Bentley. Again, what do I know? But I'm so excited to go to the event because the event is so fun. Obviously not going to be buying the car, but I'm really appreciative of being invited and I'm really excited. It's at my boss's house. So, yeah, I'm going to look in a mirror now and actually try to get my makeup to look good. Okay, I'll see you in a little bit. Okay, this is my outfit. Got some cute little flowers on the sleeves. It is what it is. Got a little Black Swan vibes going on my eyes. Can you see that? So yeah, we're heading to the party.
Have a sugar, take both. Yeah, you take one of each.
These are raspberry tots. They're absolutely delicious. Why isn't it focusing? Hey, Will, welcome to the vlog.
Is this video monetized? Because if so, I want to cut.
Yeah, but I don't make money because I don't have 1,000 followers.
I don't think it's monetized then, girl.
I'm verified.
You're verified?
Yeah.
Word.
Yeah. I am.
Congrats.
Hashtag subscribe.
Oh my god.
Thanks guys.
Hashtag guys subscribe to my channel.
Thanks guys for your subscriptions.
Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button.
Yeah.
Alright, I'm back from my work event. I'm tired. Can't wait to get into my comfy cozy clothes. You so happy we're back? Yes.
Go.
I love you. We missed you the whole entire time. Oh, thank you for the kiss. Take my makeup off, take my hair down, take my dog out for a walk, and that's a wrap on the day. So, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this little vlog of mine. It was quick. Not really. This day was really long. I don't know what I'm talking about at this point. So if you want to see more days, I can't speak. So if you want to see more videos that are a day in a life, let me know, because every day in my life is different. So thanks for keeping up, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.